This video is brought to you by Binary Bot Real Account. Leverage small $30 trading capital for huge gains on the synthetic markets. The official binary options robot provider for the Deriv trading platform. All info is in the description.
If I'm a Bitcoin and crypto billion, one bag of actives and annihilate. Bloody shoes, man, I crypto for dirty fire.
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to another video here from Forex for Beginners. You know it's yours truly, PabloPipsFX, and today's videos, guys, is all about live trading on volatility 75 and VIX 10. So we're going to be looking at some derivative trades, some synthetic indices trades today. Currently, I'm trading VIX 10 and VIX 75. A lot of persons I know have issues trading VIX just because, with synthetic indices, we know that the market is extremely volatile, more than the normal Forex market. So a lot of persons tend to get trapped and stuck when trading synthetic indices. So I kind of want to show you guys my strategy in trading this right now. I am running 38, nearly $40 there in profit using this strategy. It does involve a little bit of patience, but it is surefire. All right. So if you don't already have an account with Deriv, guys, go ahead and check out the links in the description. That'll get you set up and started. All right. You can deposit anywhere, I believe, from $10 with Deriv. So it's a very good broker. But yeah, guys, so far so good. Volatility 10 is moving a bit slow, but as expected, it is a slower instrument. The volatility, as you know, obviously by the numbers, that's how they're measured. So VIX 10 would be the least volatile, going up all the way to VIX 100. A lot of persons like the sweet spot 75, so a lot of persons trade 75 is what I realized. But I want you guys to take note and just kind of pay attention how I'm executing these trades. So the first thing is, usually you want to start with your higher time frame, your bigger picture analysis. We can see that on the 1 hour chart here, VIX 75, was bullish. It made a strong impulse move to the upside. Where are my arrow tools? Right. So, it made a strong impulse move here to the upside, right? Where it met an area of resistance, all right, somewhere in this area right here, okay, which then pushed price back down to these areas of initial breakout. All right, and I want you guys to actually see this happening in real time. So here is the previous level. If you can pay attention and see it, here's the previous area, right? The previous area of resistance now becoming support, or trying to be support, I should say. Let me see if I can get this now. See if I can draw that over better. You want to make sure. What am I doing? All right, let's try it from right here. So let's draw it across so you can see a better picture. All right, there we go. All right. So here, guys, we can see that price broke this previous area of resistance, right? Broke it, and then it came plummeting back down, so it rejected right here. So this is what is called as a fake out in the market, guys, where price makes this strong impulse move to the upside as if it's ready to go up, but then comes back down and taking out a lot of areas, a lot of traders in these markets, because traders probably had set their stop loss after seeing this impulsive move right here, and then the market just came back down and took out all those stop losses. All right, all those buy orders and stop losses that traders have put, all right, before heading back up to higher highs. All right, breaking out the original structure. I'm telling you guys, these markets don't play. All right, they will take your money, guys, because I can tell you this is the 1 hour chart, and I really want you guys to see what the chart is saying to you. So a lot of buys happened right here, right? Right, fake out, boom, right? Took out your stop loss, which would be somewhere around here, right? Took out your stop loss, took out the higher high stop loss of those other traders, you know, stop loss of those higher traders, you know, before going back up. But what I did, guys, I waited. All right, I waited until I see that price came back to a key area. All right, so you can see that. Let me see if. So I waited until price came back to a key area. All right, then I waited until it broke that support and then retested, guys. I waited for that break of that key area right here, which is this rectangle, and then it came back, all right, to that key area. Then I entered my buy because originally, all right, the original trend, guys, is, let me see if I can show you guys that. The circle tool, ellipse tool. Don't I have an ellipse tool here? Man, trading view is so much better, but I want you guys to see this area right here. All right, can you see this area right here? This, all right, this rectangle is the initial push, okay, is the initial push. Let me see if I can delete that. But this rectangle right here, guys, is the initial push price made, all right, to break this high, right here, all right. So this is what is known as the flip zone. So this is the original rally, right? This is the impulsive move to the downside. This is market manipulation, all right? This is market now taking out all those buy orders, all right? Taking out all their stop losses, all right? Coming back. I want you guys to see this coming back to that key level where it initially broke. And then, as you can see from here, guys, market movement to the upside. All right, so now market is now trying to head back to these highs to continue the original bullish momentum. So I don't know if I said that clear enough, but this is the original trend. This is the pullback, guys. Let me see if I can don't worry, guys, I'll get better at this, I promise. Let me see. All right, so rally, right? So this is the rally, okay? And this is the pullback, right? So the pullback, right? And then this right here, this arrow right here is now the current trend. Okay? So I want you guys to look at this. The rally, right? The rally was what? Was an uptrend, right? Bullish uptrend. All right. So let me see if I can put that right there. Bullish. Okay. And then the pullback, all right, at this area, these key zones, all right, is what? It's bearish. Okay. Well, what do we know? What do we know, guys, about pullbacks? All right. What do we know about pullbacks? One thing you should know about pullbacks, and this is why it's good to know the fundamentals as well, chart fundamentals, and just the terminologies and what they mean, because a pullback is only temporarily. All right. So any pullback is temporary. It only goes back to a price previously tested, all right, visited before it continues going back up. Okay, so this trend right here, let me see if I can get the rectangle tool. This trend right here, right, is the same as this trend right here. It's only now continuing. All right. So Powerful stuff here, guys. Powerful stuff. All right. So this is also bullish. This is also bullish. All right. And this is the 1 hour chart, guys. If we should go to the 15-minute chart, all right, this will become a lot more area. But right now we're doing our higher time frame analysis just to understand what the market is doing and what it plans to do. So we know that it previously made a rally to the upside, all right, because it's been coming up ever since. Oh no, 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 no. No, let me see. See if I can put that back right here. Yeah. So it's been coming back up ever since. We can zoom out and can see that, the original and ultimate trend is just been up, right? And we can see higher highs over to this side as well, right? So zooming back in, we now know that any downtrend that it makes, especially if it's at a key area, it's going to respect that area and then push back up because that's the ultimate trend of the market at this moment. Okay, so once you've done that analysis, guys, you want to go down to at least your 15-minute chart. All right, this is going to be used to set your targets and your stops. All right, this is going to be used to set your targets. Okay, so we see that clearly price is now, let me get rid of this stuff. So we see that clearly that price is now in a ranging motion, meaning it's consolidating. All right, possible reversals. Okay, and we can see that original pullback is still there. All right, this is the pullback that we just analyzed on the 1 hour chart. We can see that pullback. And now what are we seeing? We're seeing price testing that higher areas of our rectangle for possible breakouts, right, to the upside. But why are we confident that price will go in this direction? Why are we so confident? Because we already did our higher time frame analysis and see that price is bullish biased in these areas. So more than likely, highly possible that price will continue upward hitting these targets. All right. But once we actually see these targets and can actually draw them out, usually you want to target these eyes. You want to target areas where price respected previously in the market. You want to target areas like that. So price respected this area right here, right? Price respected this area right here, right? So you want to make sure that those are the areas you want to target the highs in which market previously respected. Whichever if it's buying biased. All right. So after you do that and you can confirm all that, guys, you want to go down to your 5-minute chart. Okay, your 5-minute chart will be used for your entries. Okay, it's very important. You want to get those sniper entries as much as possible. So right now, as you can see, as it is right now, what do we see price doing? This is currently a trade I have open. This is live trading, guys. Come on, guys. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button right now and hit the like button on this video, guys. I'm dropping gems, guys. Daily videos like these. I mean, there might be a one day that I don't post, but I do try to get these content out to you guys because I know that you need them and you rely on them. All right. So I'm going to help you make some money for sure. So we see that price right now, is respecting, right, that level of that high that was previously broken, right? Let me see if I can do it. It's so hard to use this. Let's see. All right, so we see that price just broke above, right, that level, and now it's trying to retest it. So this is a good sign that price is looking to continue upwards, all right, especially to these levels right here. All right, so as you can see, if it gets here and it breaks out of these zones right here, if it breaks out of these zones right here, and if it breaks out of these zones right here, it's a good sign that it'll hit my TP. TP1. So that is what I'm hoping for. So yeah, guys, but in your case, when you're entering the market, guys, and you're looking for your entries, you want to make sure that you're entering at the right spot. So we're looking for a buy. So what would be the right time to enter for a buy, knowing that price is looking to continue upwards? Well, that's simple. This would be a good area where price previously, where price recently broke this area right here and comes back down in a pullback to test it. Because you want to buy anytime you're buying, guys. You want to buy at a discount. You want to buy when price is low. All right, because simply put, when you buy at a lower price, you get more of a bang for your buck. All right, so make sure that you wait for a pullback as usual, and it's the same thing we saw on the higher time frame. All right, 1 hour chart was also in that pullback where I made my entry, and now I'm floating in profits. All right, so that is the analysis and strategy that I'm currently using for VIX, guys. Also, if you have problems analyzing charts and just kind of spotting out, where the highs are and the lows are, I can go ahead and provide you guys with my trading system. I think I'll do a video series and explain to you guys how my trading system works. I'll be giving it away for free. All of it will be available on my website. Until I get that over there, though, guys, I'll be releasing a series how you can actually use certain indicators similar, just to kind of, get this done. All right. So yeah, guys, one neat trick too, guys, you can add your Fibonacci tool as well. If you have a Fibonacci tool on your MetaTrader, you should use the Fibonacci. And I don't want to make this video too long, guys, but I'll leave that in the next video, guys. That's all for now. Right now we're floating at $32 in profits. We're all in profit, a matter of fact. All trades are in profit, so I'm feeling pretty good about that strategy. This strategy. Big 10 moving a bit slow there, but it's expected. It's expected. It's gonna do that little stuff. But as you can see, there's a clear area of liquidity void. I just learned that word, guys. Liquidity void. It's pretty cool. But look at this area. There's a huge area of liquidity void right here. So price is expected to come down and fill that. All right, that is what I'm expecting, hitting all TPs. Again, this is the hour chart, so I'm really looking for some bucks in these positions too. But that's all for now, guys. 17 minutes into this video. Man, if you got value from this video, man, go ahead and like and subscribe. Until next time, it's been yours truly, PabloPipsFX from Forex for Beginners. Stay safe. I'm out.